Imagine creatures so rare, they barely exist. Animals with populations often in the single digits. Join us on a deep dive into Earth's most elusive inhabitants. We'll explore critically endangered species, their unique traits, and the urgent need for protection. A vital look at our planet's hidden biodiversity. First, the vaquita, smallest porpoise, found only in Mexico's Gulf of California. Fewer than 10 remain, making it Earth's most endangered marine mammal. Illegal gillnet fishing for totoaba fish is tragically decimating them. Their survival hangs by a thread. Next, New Zealand's kakapo, a nocturnal, flightless parrot. These unique, moss-green birds are Earth's heaviest parrots. Being flightless makes them vulnerable. Conservation efforts have boosted numbers from under 50 to around 250. Finally, the pangolin, often called the scaly anteater. All 8 species face severe threats from poaching and illegal wildlife trade. They're the most trafficked mammals globally. Saving them is crucial for ecosystem balance. These incredible animals highlight immense biodiversity loss. Their rarity underscores our critical need for global conservation. Like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing planet.